Yeah, so we answered these questions based on what we have learned. So this one is the cell that is found in plants. This one is the cell disc shape. Disc shape, as you can see, is the cell that is found in animals. This one is the cell that is found in plants. So we have two plant cells and one animal cell. So they're saying name each of the cells above. So what is cell P? Cell P is the root hair cell. Cell P is the root hair what? Cell. Why itakambati in root hair cell is because of the root hair. Is because of the root what? Hair. So now understand about this cell. You have to understand these things in detail. So I'm going to put the phone there. So imagine, have you seen this cell? Have you seen this cell? Imagine. Kwenye nafaka phone kuna bisa. Imagine kuribe che nafaka koko. Kuribe structure ina bisa. Iliche mwe ionekana hapa. What cell is this? Palisade what? Cell. Why? Because waiziva, not so? But when you see this structure, you are going to say is the root hair what? Cell. So you can know the root hair cell based on this structure known as the root hair. So part is the root hair. The part is the root what? Hair. The cell is the root hair what? Cell. So the root hair, it is there to absorb water and mineral salts. So it's just there to absorb, kutenga the uptake of water and mineral salts. So absorption of water and mineral salts, they are carried out by the root hair, or we can say by the root hair what? Cell, the entire cell. Are you getting the point? But transportation of water and mineral salts is by the xylem. So the xylem transports, the root hair absorbs. There's two different things. There's two different what? Things between absorption and what? Transportation. The red blood cell, it transports as well gases like oxygen gas. It transports gases like oxygen what? Gas to the cells in need of oxygen gas. So the red blood cell, it is there to transport oxygen gas and small amount of carbon dioxide. The palisade cell, it is there to carry out photosynthesis. That's why I cell sunga kamba the plant cell, because ina even plant cell is the cell found in plant. So P is the root hair cell, Q is the red blood cell, R is the palisade what? Cell. So if you know the identity, you have to know the functions. So I can state the functions of cells P and Q. What is the function of cell P? Absorption of mineral salts and water. What about Q? Transportation of oxygen gas and small amount of carbon dioxide. Explain the adaptations of cells P and Q to their function. P, the presence of the root hair to absorb mineral salts and water, but to their function. The presence of the root hair to absorb mineral salts and water. Q, the presence of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the red pigment. To bind with oxygen. To bind with what? Oxygen, so that oxygen can be transported. So hemoglobin binds with oxygen. Where in the leaf is cell R located? Where in the leaf is cell R does what? Located. Is located in the palisade mesophyll. Are you getting the point? Are you getting the point? So this one, it has hemoglobin, which binds with oxygen gas, so that oxygen gas can be transported. Are you getting the point? Hemoglobin is the red pigment. Any question?